Dear learners, welcome to the session on adding assignment into Genomio Moodle course. At the end of this session, the learners will be able to create an assignments into Genomio course and create rubrics for grading of these assignments. Assignment activity in Moodle. It will enables a teacher to communicate a task, collect a work and provide a grades along with the feedback. Through this assignment activity, student can submit his assignment in any digital content type in files, image, audio and video files. Or students may submit his assignments through online text editor options. So there are two types of assignments. Assignments is submitted either by uploading a documents or submitted assignments through online text editor. When reviewing assignments, teacher can able to leave a feedback or he can able to upload the files, documents with comments, or sometimes a spoken audio feedback should be added by a teacher for the assignment activity. Assignments can be graded using a numerical or custom scales. Along with in Genomio Moodle, there is advanced grading method is available such as rubrics. So rubrics can be developed, and by using rubrics the teachers can able to give a grade for the particular assignments submitted by the students, and the final grades are recorded in grade book automatically. So for the addition of assignments into your Genomio course, so just go into your course, then click on add an activity or resource tab. We have discussed earlier how this tab is visible to us. For that purpose, you have to first do a setting for turn editing on from the system gearbox. So just click on it, then select assignment activity and click on add button. Then give a name to the assignments along with the description and then scroll down. Then set the availability of these assignments for the students. So I have set a 7 days time for the students. Then set a submission type. There are two types of submission. Either student can submit online text or students can upload a document file. Students may submit online or upload the document. Teacher can able to set the setting. Both settings can be available for a single assignments. But try to avoid a confusion, you can select either online text or file submission. For this type of assignments, I want to take online text. So I will select it. Automatically the below options are disabled. Once I have set it, then scroll down, then set a submission setting. It depends on the teachers whether they requires students to click the submit buttons or not. But I will select it yes. Then you have to set the grade. In grade, there is grading method is available. So for that assignments, I have to set the rubrics. So I will select a rubrics and then scroll down, set for the access restriction settings. So I will set activity completion, that is this assignment is not available to the students until they have to complete the quiz for practice activity. Then set activity completion setting and then click on save button. So you will able to see the assignments on first page of your course. But we have just set assignments, still we have not added the rubrics into these assignments. So just click on these graded assignments. You will be here. So just click on this system gearbox, setting gearbox to find out the advanced grading options. So just click on advanced grading or define rubrics. So click on define rubrics, give the names to this rubric and give the description. Below the description window, you will be able to find the rubrics. For rubrics, you have to add a criteria along with the labels. So first, give the criteria, give the labels for 0 points, give the labels for 1 point and give the labels for 2 points. Once you have done it, you can set for 3 labels, 4 labels or 2 labels. By using delete options, you can delete the labels, or by using add label options, you can add the labels. Once you finish adding of one criteria, then click on add criteria button just available below the first criteria and then add a second criteria and go on adding the criteria along with the labels. So rubrics can be automatically developed. Once you have done it, just click on save rubrics and make it ready for the grading. So here the rubrics is added. So just go back into the assignments, scroll down. So here you will be able to see a grading summary. You can able to see the submission by clicking on view all submission tab, or if you want to give a grade, just click on grade tab. You will be here. At the bottom, you can change the display options. If you click on these first options, you will be able to see the rubrics in front of you. So just select a level or select the points if you want to give grade to the students, and just provide a feedback in feedback comment. Once you have done it, just click on save changes or save and show next. Likewise, automatically the grading is updated in gradebook. So next is assignment is document upload type. So far we have discussed the assignments through submission through online text. Now we will discuss how to set assignments for document upload. So just repeat the process, add an activity or resource, select assignments and then click on add button. Provide the name for assignments and description. You can either write down the questions in description box or you can upload the files in additional file tabs, just like uploading the files. Then select the availability of these assignments, then set the submission type. So here I want to set it for file submission. If I select the file submission, then I have to set how many numbers of files should be uploaded. So I will set it 1. Then select accepted file types. For that purpose, you have to choose that accepted file type. Then select which file should be accepted. So I want to accept document files. So just I will select document files, click on expand, and within the document files I want to accept only in PDF format. So I will select only PDF documents and scroll down to find a save changes. So click on save changes. Once you come back here, now accepted file types is a .pdf, means PDF documents only is accepted for the submission of this assignment. Then set a submission setting. I have set it for yes. Student has to submit, click on submit button to submit these assignments. Then next is attempts. You may set attempts is reopened never, manually or automatically until pass. Depends on the requirement of your assignments, you set this assignment reopen settings. And after that, you may select maximum attempts numbers. You may unlimited, you may set it for 1 or 2 or 3. It may depends on your requirement of assignments. So I have selected only one here. Then go for the restrict access settings, activity completion settings, and then click on save and return to course. So here assignment 1 is updated. So I have already run the Genomio course in my department. So I have shown you the example of file submission type. So once you click on assignments, so I have given assignments in text format. Scroll down, see here grading summary. Out of 52 students, 33 students have submitted the assignments. Then click on grade. So on grade button, you will be able to see the submission of student in PDF format. In this PDF format, you can able to give the grades, means you can able to give the comments, you can able to tick it whether it is correct or wrong by using the toolbar available at the top of this PDF button, and then you can give a grade into a grade box, provide a feedback, and after done this, just click on save changes. So automatically grade is saved in a grade book. So far in this session we have discussed how to create an assignments with online text submission or upload document submission method. Along with we have seen how to set rubrics in assignment section. So in next session we will discuss how to add blocks such as completion progress block into Genomio course. Thank you.